Smart Bites, Smart Life. Janet will provide us food preparation hacks for your weight loss journey. Go, Janet.
I am Janet of Topi Center. Innovate your approach with 5 expert food prep hacks for weight loss. Eating healthy and losing weight often feels like an uphill battle. With busy schedules and ever present temptations, sticking to your diet can seem downright impossible some days. However, the truth is that effective meal planning and preparation is one of the most powerful tools for weight loss success. In this post, we will explore 5 game changing food prep hacks that can revolutionize your weight loss journey. Implement these expert strategies and get ready to transform the way you eat, boost nutrition, and shed pounds. Let's dive in. Proper nutrition is the awesome foundation of any effective weight loss plan. What you eat matters just as much as how much you eat when it comes to managing your weight. The powerful key is balancing your meals with lean proteins, fiber-rich complex carbs, healthy fats, and plenty of fresh fruits and veggies. However, we all know that sticking to a balanced diet is easier said than done. When life gets busy, it's tempting to opt for quick processed snacks and sugary treats rather than taking time to prep nutritious meals. This impulsive eating can sabotage your weight loss success. That's why effective meal prepping and planning is so vital for any diet. Having pre-portioned, flavorful, diet-approved meals ready to go encourages you to stay on track, even during your busiest days. This blog post will explore 5 expert food prep hacks that can lead to transformative weight loss results. Get ready to step up your meal planning game. 1. Smart ingredient food selection. The first key strategy is choosing the most nutrient-dense ingredients to build your meals around. Fill your grocery cart with satiating proteins, fiber-filled complex carbs, healthy fats, and plenty of fresh fruits and veggies. These choices will keep you feeling energized and full while delivering powerful nutrients. Don't forget to load up on fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables too. Their water and fiber contents work to fill you up quickly and help slash overall calorie intake. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, broccoli, berries, citrus fruits, and leafy greens are excellent choices. Don't forget to load up on fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables too. Their water and fiber contents work to fill you up quickly and help slash overall calorie intake. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, broccoli, berries, citrus fruits, and leafy greens are excellent choices. When you go grocery shopping, be sure to spend most of your time around the perimeter of the store where the produce, meat, dairy, and fresh bakery sections are located. This is where you'll find the most wholesome, minimally processed foods. Limit time spent in the center aisles where packaged and processed snacks lurk. Shop with a plan and make your grocery list revolve around the smart ingredients mentioned above. Refer back to the list when tempted by sugary treats and salty snacks to stay on track. Doing a quick meal prep session when you get home from shopping can also help portion and prepare foods for the week ahead. Implementing these powerful grocery shopping strategies will support your weight loss efforts and set you up for meal planning success. 2. Batch cooking for efficiency. Batch cooking is a brilliant hack for anyone struggling to find time to prep healthy meals. This strategy allows you to prepare multiple dishes or components in one block of time. Having pre-made diet-approved meals and ingredients on hand is a game changer. Start by planning out a week's worth of meals and snacks that align with your weight loss goals. Next, make a master grocery list to shop for everything at once. You can then devote a few hours to cooking proteins, grains, and veggies in bulk. Focus on options that store and reheat well, like baked chicken, turkey meatballs, quinoa, rice, roasted veggies, and soups. Store pre-portioned servings in individual containers for grab-and-go ease all week long. When mealtime comes around, simply pair your ready-to-eat proteins and veggies with fresh side dishes like salads. Having the core components of your meals already prepped makes it so much easier to stick to your eating plan. Here are some delicious and nutritious meal ideas perfect for batch cooking. Chicken or tofu veggie stir fries with cauliflower, rice, or quinoa. Turkey chili or vegetarian lentil chili. Baked salmon or chicken with roasted broccoli and sweet potatoes. Burrito bowls with rice, beans, salsa, and sauteed veggies. Healthy casseroles like turkey enchiladas, zucchini lasagna, or cauliflower mac and cheese. Hearty soups like vegetable, minestrone, chicken noodle, or beef barley. Focus on dishes that contain balanced macros of protein, carbs, and healthy fats. Shop for ingredients that can multitask across several recipes, like beans, eggs, greens, herbs, and seasonings. When cooking, make extra to have leftovers to quickly reheat or incorporate into new meals later in the week. For instance, roast a double batch of veggies or cook extra chicken breasts. With the core elements ready to go, it's so much easier to assemble healthy, delicious meals on busy nights. Batch cooking saves you time and effort while setting you up for diet victory. It's one of the most powerful tools for weight loss success. 3. Portion control and pre-portioned meals. Portion control is essential yet so challenging when it comes to weight loss. It's easy to misjudge serving sizes or mindlessly overeat without proper measurements. Pre-portioning your meals is an awesome hack for portion and calorie control. For instance, divide stews, grains, and proteins into 300 to 400 calorie servings for meals. Portion snacks like crackers, nuts, and cheese into 100 to 200 calorie bags. You would also invest in bento-box style divided containers to pre-portion meals and sides. Eating pre-portioned meals enables you to visualize proper serving sizes and stick to your calorie goals without counting and measuring on the fly. This strategy helps prevent overeating and gives your diet a powerful advantage. Here are some tips and tricks to keep portion sizes in check. Use smaller plates, bowls, and utensils to make portions appear bigger. Weigh and measure foods with a kitchen scale when prepping and cooking. Portion proteins at 3 to 4 ounces, carbs at 1/2 cup or 1 small baked potato, fats at 1 to 2 taps. Load up your plate with low-calorie foods, first like greens, veggies, and broth-based soups. Use the hand method for quick visual portion estimates. Your palm equates to 3 ounces of protein. Control portions of high-calorie foods like nuts, cheese, dressings, and oils that add up quickly. Avoid family-style serving dishes. Plate your meals in the kitchen to control portions. Sticking to properly portioned meals and snacks consistently is a powerful behavior change that leads to weight loss success. 4. Flavorful meal prep. Eating for fat loss and optimal health does not mean your food has to taste bland and boring. In fact, flavorful meals are more satisfying and easier to stick to over time. Use herbs, spices, marinades, and dressings to punch up the flavor. Herbs and spices like garlic, basil, oregano, cumin, and cinnamon add tremendous flavor without calories. Marinate proteins or create rubs with your spice cabinet staples. Whip up simple vinaigrettes and dressings to drizzle on salads and veggies too. Consider making big batches of homemade salsa, pesto, or chimichurri sauce. They can be used as dips, marinades, dressings, and toppings all week long. Flavor boosters like lemon juice, hot sauce, mustard, and balsamic vinegar are also diet-friendly. Getting creative with herbs, spices, and sauces ensures your meals pop with flavor. Your taste buds and waistline will thank you. Here are some easy and delicious ways to add more flavor to your diet. Marinate chicken, fish, and tofu in mixtures of oil, herbs, mustard, vinegar, garlic, and spices before cooking. Rub roasts, chicken, and pork chops with spice blends before roasting or grilling. Whip up a quick lemon dill sauce or chimichurri to pour over salmon or veggies. Roast veggies with fresh garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, and herbs for delicious flavor. Make herb compound butters to melt over grilled meats, fish, and steamed veggies. Infuse vinegars and oils with herbs and citrus to create tangy dressings and marinades. Add a dash of hot sauce or freshly grated ginger to dressings, marinades, and sauces. Top proteins and salads with flavor-packed salsa. Make a batch using fresh diced tomatoes, onion, garlic, lime juice, and cilantro. With a well-stocked pantry, fridge, and spice rack, you can create limitless flavor combinations to spice up healthy meals for amazing taste without derailing your diet. 5. Strategic snacking and ready-to-go options. Snacking Smart is a powerful ally on your weight loss journey. Mindless snacking and sweets can derail your progress in a hurry. Keep hunger at bay between meals with portable, nutritious snacks. Nuts and seeds are awesome high-protein, fiber-filled choices that promote satiety. Pair them with fresh fruit for a winning combo. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese also supply protein, calcium, and probiotics. For on-the-go convenience, prep snacks like protein balls, hard-boiled eggs, smoothie packs, cut veggies with hummus, and apple slices with almond butter ahead of time. Strategic snacking helps control hunger, prevents impulsive eating, and gives you the energy to power through busy days. Keeping ready-to-go snacks on hand is a hack for diet success. Here are more examples of healthy, satisfying snacks that can be prepped in advance. Fresh fruit skewers, thread berries, grapes, banana chunks, and melon cubes onto a skewer. DIY trail mix. Combine roasted unsalted nuts with sesame sticks, coconut flakes, dark chocolate chips, and dried fruit. Protein muffins. Whip up a batch with almond flour, eggs, vanilla, and baking soda. Energy bites. Mix oats, peanut butter, honey, and chia seeds, then form into bite-sized balls. Veggies and hummus. Prep single servings of carrots, celery, and bell pepper strips with 2 to 3 tablespoons of hummus. Cottage cheese bowls. Top cottage cheese with tomatoes, hemp seeds, berries, and balsamic glaze. Tuna and crackers. Combine canned tuna with mustard, lemon juice, and dill, and serve with whole grain crackers. Greek yogurt parfaits. Layer yogurt with berries, nuts, and chia seeds for crunch and texture. Having a stash of thoughtfully prepared snacks on hand will prevent you from grabbing empty-calorie convenience foods when hunger hits. Effective meal planning and preparation techniques are fundamental to lasting weight loss. Implementing these 5 food prep hacks can transform your diet's effectiveness and get you closer to your goals. Choosing nutritious ingredients, batch cooking, controlling portions, boosting flavor, and planning snacks are awesome strategies for weight management victory. With this innovative and strategic approach to food prep, you have the power to take your health and wellness to new heights. Remember, dedication and consistency are key on any weight loss journey. Stick with these expert meal prep hacks and enjoy the transformative results you deserve. Your dream body is within reach. The path to successful weight loss and optimal health is full of challenges. However, implementing habits like meal prepping and planning can make the journey smooth sailing. These strategies save you time and effort while setting you up for diet victories. With smart ingredient choices, batch cooking, controlled portions, and strategic snacking, you have all the tools for weight loss success. Use this innovative guide to transform the way you eat and get ready for amazing results.
Awesome, Janet. Thank you. For our viewers, we encourage you to keep losing weight with us here at the Obesity Prevention Center. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Our newsletter is also packed with special offers and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you on our next vlog.